Hey Leah. Hi Lucas. Hi Sean. Today's book is called Rain. Look at the rain. Do you like when rain falls on you? Do you see it falling? This girl is telling us to look at the rain. She tells all the things the rain is falling on. I'm going to turn to pages 2 and 3. And on this page, the girl says, here we go. I'm centering it. She says, look at the rain. Say look. Which letter would you expect to see first in the word look? Do you say L? It is. It's an uppercase L. Find look. Run your finger under it and say look. So check the picture. What is the rain falling on? Yes. Yes. So the girl says, the rain is falling on a pig. I'm going to turn to pages 6 and 7. And here I am trying to focus it again for you. Position it so it's really clear. Look at the rain in this picture. What is the rain falling on? Yes, it's falling on a frog. Say the word on. What letter would come first in on? Find the word on, put your finger under on and say it. Nice. And on pages 10 and 11, you can see what the rain is falling on. I'm going to turn back to the beginning of the book. Point and read about rain. This book was called Rain. How'd you do? Did you find anything tricky? Do you need to go back and fix something to make it sound right? Or look right? Or to make sure that it makes sense? If so, just go back to the beginning of this little movie and you can fix it. See you next time. Bye-bye. Miss you.